We going?
Kitty's gonna be in the audio.
All right, tell me when.
Okay, yeah, we're going.
Okay, so we are going to do pH on our high elevation soil derived from volcanic materials, and we're going to do two different types of pH tests. One is an indicator for andic soil properties, and that's sodium fluoride. So you add some sodium fluoride solution to the to our pH cells here, and if the pH rises above 8.5 or above 9.5, then that's an indicator of andic soil properties. So what are andic soil properties, right? So high surface area, they're all related to the mineralogy, right? So high surface area, these amorphous or poorly crystalline clay minerals that have really high surface area, really high sorption, and are these poorly ordered wild high surface area crystals that absorb phosphates and things like that. So when we add sodium fluoride, that fluoride's an anion, and it reacts with the surface of these poorly crystalline minerals that have anion sorption, and the fluoride reacts with that, and it raises the pH. Then the other set of pH cells, we're going to do just a regular 1-to-1 water with the pH test strips. Okay.
So that's basically got from here, right at the tip, to like right there.
Okay. We going? Go long ways? Yeah, it won't roll as easy, but yeah. Are we rolling? Okay, so first we're going to do the 1-to-1 water. So these are the top of that horizon, the top of the mineral horizon for that second soil in the high elevation volcanic transect. So we'll add just a little bit of water in there, roughly 1-to-1. A little bit of water there. Those organics are reacting pretty heavy. Alright, we'll give this a little stir. Wipe it off on your jeans. A little stir. Wipe it off on your jeans. A little stir. This has still got a lot of organics in it, the surface. It's really hydrophobic. Okay, now we're going to do the the sodium fluoride. And I'd forgotten to, this is corrosive, so we're going to decant a little bit into here.
I did, Kitty, but you're stuck up there now. I know, that's why I'm putting up the kitty guards.
Garrett's kitties had some kittens that climbed up in a tree. Okay. So the sodium fluoride needs to react for about 20 minutes. The water can do about 5 minutes.
It's all equilibrium reaction, so it's not like it matters if you let it go longer.
Yeah, so we're going to set the timer for 30 minutes on these and then come back to them.
I hear you, Kitty, but right now I'm putting up the kitty guard.
Alright, now we'll mix up the sodium fluoride. Get that reaction going. Reacting with those awesome, poorly crystalline, just these long, just dendritic clay minerals. All this surface area. Holding on to all these organic matter and different anions. Just wild, wild clay minerals. Okay. Sodium fluoride, 1-to-1 water. Let's set our timer.
Got the watchful eye going, Jabber.
All right. See you in 30 minutes.
It's semi-shaded, it's fine.
All right, let's absorb this corner here. Looks like we got that pretty wet. All right, this is the 1-to-1 water. And I'm using, oh crap. I'm using the second one here. So there's 3 pads on this pH strip. And, okay, that's fine. Alright, so now we're going to test the, tell me when you're hitting record.
Yeah, we're recording now.
Okay. Alright, now we're going to test, we did our first in 1-to-1 water. We're not getting a lot of reaction on those, so I'm going to have to go back through. Now we're going to do the alpha-alpha dipyridel if it's over 9.5. So we're going to use the yellow strip, the first strip, because that's reactive in that 9 to 10 range. So, we'll do this first strip. Wow, look at that. There we go. We're reacting heavy-duty purple. That's definitely 9.5.
Put it down a little bit.
It's definitely 9.5, 10. So we're definitely got andic soil properties at depth. Next one. Again, really heavy reaction with the sodium fluoride. So remember, if it's above 9, if it's above 9.5, I believe, it's an indication of andic soil properties. We'll do this next one. Again, that's a 10. Maybe even a little darker on the wind. Okay, last one, surface horizon. This is great, getting this.
Yeah.
Nice that it works.
At least they haven't tried to go up the tree again.
Again, really strong. These are all in the 10 range. I would say the bottom's maybe a little bit less. That's the bottom. That's maybe like 9.5. That's a 10. That's a second from the bottom. Third from the bottom is a 10. Fourth from the bottom is a 10. So those, we will record those. But yeah, this has definitely got andic soil properties. We're going to go back over the water ones, and I'm going to try the very last tab on the paddle to see if I can get that to react, because we didn't get a good reaction. Okay. Okay, so we're testing for andic soil properties with sodium fluoride here in our first pit of yesterday, which was the lower elevation. We'll call it a mid-elevation site, mixed conifer on volcanic terrain, and we're testing for andic soil properties. So if you remember that first pit that we tested for sodium fluoride, the higher elevation site, it turned like this magenta, right? So the sodium fluoride goes to pH 9.5
Yeah, there we go.
as an indicator for andic soil properties. So now we're going to test this lower elevation soil and see if it has andic soil properties. And look at that. It didn't change color at all. And so in that mid-elevation soil, we do not have andic soil properties. That's a wrap.